maybe if I go to the store. Oh my god, guys, as I promised at the beginning of the video, unlimited IMVU credits, everything is here. Hello my dear fans, and welcome back to my brand new review. And guys, in this review your boy will be showing you how you can get IMVU unlimited credits all in your app, free, safe and online, without download any mobile APKs or any softwares. So just make to follow each and every step, you will be having unlimited IMVU credits and working perfectly for both iOS and Android devices, guys, within a few simple clicks. First step is open up your browser, Safari or Google, doesn't matter, and type in address right here, appspatch.com, and search your game or any app from the list. Okay guys, perfect. I find my IMVU app and enter your username. Sorry for that. Enter your correct username in your IMVU app or account. Give me a second. Okay guys, and choose your platform. I select iOS, and the very important step, guys, select your credits. I select maximum, why not? Okay guys, and wait for loads up. I find this video online, testing it a few times, and once I saw it work perfectly, I decided to share it with you. And guys, very important step. Okay, wait for loads up. Complete two simple question. Okay guys, your boy download Model Casino and TikTok app. All of this app is from official App Store or Google Play Store and working for both iOS and Android devices within a few simple clicks. And guys, don't use VPN, it might not work. Just use home Wi-Fi or any good internet and you'll be perfectly fine. So let's go, install Model Casino and TikTok app and finally open IMVU app, guys. Okay my peep, your boy complete all steps, download two app, Model Casino and TikTok app, and finally open IMVU. Okay guys, nothing is happening right now. Maybe if I go to the store. Oh my god, guys, as I promised at the beginning of the video, unlimited IMVU credits, everything is here. Leave a like, share the video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video guys, bye.